Today, we're going to show how to install a Coppia Series door and panel by Basco. The series is uniquely designed to provide a luxury 3/8-inch thick heavy glass in shower spaces that may not have blocking available. It is ideal for fiberglass or acrylic shower applications and can handle moderate out-of-square adjustments. It's well suited for a do-it-yourselfer weekend warrior with moderate handyman skills. Here are the tools that you'll need to properly install this door and make this a simple project. The DIY level of difficulty is a 5 out of 10. We recommend 2 people for this door installation due to the weight of the glass and fragile nature of the product. Supplemental instructions are available at bascoshowerdoor.com. Please remember to be cautious when handling the tempered glass panels. Tempered glass is most sensitive at the corners of the glass or if unequal pressure is applied. The shower door can be installed on walls without proper wood blocking, including fiberglass and acrylic walls. The directions will vary depending on if the blocking is available to use or not. Carefully read the instructions in its entirety. After carefully removing all contents from boxes and preparing your area with drop cloths and protective material, you're ready to get started. The first step to a proper fit is to measure the center line of the threshold, which is the midpoint of your shower opening. Apply masking tape down the center line to make it easy to mark your measurements. Use a level or straight edge and lightly mark a continuous center line on the tape. Mark from the 2 furthest points to avoid areas that may not be straight. Next, mark a continuous center line up the panel wall, starting where the threshold center line meets the wall. Use a level to ensure the wall center line is plumb and straight. The wall center lines you mark should be a minimum of the unit height from the threshold. The Coppia is defined by its special 2-piece wall jamb. One piece allows the door to be mounted to a surface without wood blocking. The second piece gives the door flexibility to adjust to some out-of-plumb adjustments. Place the wall jamb on the wall. The raised lip of jamb should be towards the wall. Using the level and the center line marking line, center the wall jamb on the wall and ensure it's plumb with the opening. Mark the 8 holes on the wall for securing. The next steps vary depending on if there is wood blocking to drill into. Refer to your installation guide for more information. Remove the wall jamb and drill holes for mounting screws as required and reference Table 1 in your installation guide to determine drilling details for your shower. First, drill holes at each marked location using a masonry bit. Then, take the anchor and fold into the middle before inserting the anchor into the hole and tap flush. Insert key to pop anchor into the wall. Now, apply a continuous 3/16-inch bed of silicone into each leg of the wall jamb and place jamb on the wall. Check one last time to make sure the wall jamb is installed level and in its final position and screw to secure. Carefully bring in the door panel with 2 people and place on a padded surface. Use the alcohol pads included in your parts pack to wipe down the hinge, the gaskets, and the glass. Let the glass dry before continuing. Place a gasket on the hinge and place the fixed part of the hinge to the door panel. Now, place another gasket against the glass and attach the back plate with the screw provided. Repeat the process on the second notch and remember mounting plate screws go to the interior of the shower. Be sure to fully tighten the screws. Hinge mounting screws to attach both hinges to the adjustable wall jamb. Place 2 7/16-inch shims on the shower's threshold. With the help of another person, lift the glass door assembly into the opening and set on the shims. Next, slide the adjustable wall jamb over the hinge wall jamb. Measure the top and bottom of the door edge with the fixed panel wall. The gap should be set between panel widths plus 3/8 inches to panel width plus 1/16 inches wide. The distance from the wall to the door edge may not be consistent the entire height of the wall. Push or pull the door assembly as required and ensure the door is level and plumb. Check the height of the glass from the threshold. The top of the door glass must be at least the height of the panel glass plus 1/8 inch. Side drill 5 32nd-inch holes through wall jambs at the locations marked by the holes near each hinge in the wall jamb. Insert the screws into each hole drilled and secure in place. Carefully remove the shims and open the door to make sure the glass doesn't come into contact with anything. First, measure the distance between the wall and the edge of the glass door. Now cut the threshold U-channel to the length of your measurement minus 3/16 inches. At the top of the glass door, mark the level line on the wall. Next, measure the distance between the threshold to a level line. Then cut the wall U-channel to the length of your measurement minus 1.5 inches. Then drill two 3/16 inch diameter holes 4 inches from each end in the threshold U-channel. Next, align the U-channel along the center line marked on the threshold. Mark the hole locations, remove the jamb, and drill at each mark. Reference Table 3 in your installation guide to determine drilling details for your shower. Insert a small amount of silicone into each drilled hole. Place the U-channel back into position and screw into place. Apply silicone on the top of the screws. Drill three 3/16 inch diameter holes along the wall U-channel. The first hole should be in the center of the wall jamb, and the other two holes will be 4 inches from each end. Now, with a pencil, carefully mark each hole position on the center line. Reference Table 3 in your installation guide to determine drilling details for your shower. If your area does not have wood blocking, use the provided anchors for securing the U-channel. Position the U-channel along the center line and use the provided screws to anchor. As an added protection, we recommend using a small bead of silicone in the back corner as shown to protect against leakage. From your parts pack, locate the setting blocks and place 1/8 inch setting blocks at least 4 inches from each end of the U-channel. Do not place setting blocks over screw heads. Then insert the fixed panel glass into the horizontal and vertical U-channel. At this point, align the panel to be flush with the door edge of the channel. It may be necessary to use additional setting blocks to be sure the panel is aligned to the door. Carefully close the door and check for a consistent 3/16 inch gap between the door and the panel. If adjustments are needed on the door side, remove hinge backplate and fine-tune the hinge. Align the handle to the holes in the glass and assemble screw washers, end plates, and gaskets into one side of the handle through the glass as shown. Then align the interior handle onto the bushing and tighten the set screws. If you need further instruction, reference your installation guide. Place the drip vinyl onto the bottom of the door panel. Line it up on the hinge side of the door and cut it off flush with the beginning of the strike jamb. Run a small bead of silicone along the edges of the glass and U-channel to secure the panel in place. Let the caulking cure for 24 to 48 hours before using the shower. Remove your warranty sticker and register your shower door at bascoshowerdoor.com. This completes your installation of the Coppia 935 series. For information, visit bascoshowerdoor.com or call 1-800-45-BASCO.